Hey guys, in this video, we are going to show you how to delete Facebook watched history on iPhone. If you want to delete Facebook watched history on iPhone, you can follow step by step. First, swipe towards the right side of screen to reach the app library. Here, find and open the Facebook app. Make sure that you have logged in your account. If you do not have any account, you can sign in to create a new account. Now, tap on the menu option in the bottom right corner. Scroll down and locate Settings. After that, tap on Settings. In Settings, scroll down to find the activity log. It will be located in your activity area. Here, tap on Activity Log. You will find different options in the middle line on screen. As you swipe right, you will get the Activity History option. You can also swipe the option below it to know about them. Following that, tap on Activity History. You will find the filters icon on the left side. Tap on it, and you can categorize it on the basis of videos you have watched or the dates. If you select the dates, it will show you the activity history according to the dates. Lastly, you can tap on the three dots and delete them one by one. In this way, you will delete Facebook watched history on iPhone. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you got some value. See you in the next one.